Hello, my name is Aaron Rodriguez, and today I'm going to be going over my Eportfolio and all the projects that we've gone over the past 7 weeks now. Starting off is my canvas, so I have the link right here, but I've already kind of pulled it up for us. And so this canvas was really cool because it really made me reflect and think about why did I choose this? Why am I, doing this? And so it was like me sharing my story and how I got here because I come from a health sports medicine background, so it's like why would I even get an MED? And I get to tell my story and why I have, and the experiences I've had and how it helps me in my job today. The next one is possibly my favorite, the Ed Puzzle learning tool, which I think is the best learning tool ever. Essentially what it is a short, not even a short video, it's a video that you can program pauses into, and then it makes quizzes. So I can pause it at 30 seconds, and then let's say past those 30 seconds I set a definition that then I can generate a question right here on the side that you can see here, and it'll be like, well, what did I just say? And then the students need to respond yes or no. So it really makes the students pay attention and focus on the video so that they're not just playing it and ignoring it. And I think it's really great too because you can easily integrate this into grades. Like, hey, I want y'all to watch this 15-minute video. There's going to be questions during it, and it will be graded. And you can just automatically just go on the website, see what they scored. All right, you got a 60%. I'm putting the 60% in the grade book. And I think it's just really, really cool because kids these days are so onto their phones and so into multimedia, and why not take advantage of that? Why not send them YouTube videos? Why not make our own YouTube videos? Why not grab other YouTube videos and edit them how we want them and then quiz them on them? Let's work smarter, not harder. The next one is the Principle of Design Graphic Organizer. This was a lot of fun because I got to get my girlfriend's feedback on this. I'm pretty plain Jane when it comes to stuff like this, so it was her idea for like the colors and the stagnant, and I thought it was really, really cool because it just looks fun. It looks interactive. It looks more pleasing to the eye. Like somebody would actually want to use this. So I can totally see myself grabbing this in the future, printing it out and being like, hey, class, use this. And the students actually being like, well, this looks kind of fun and cool. Why? Of course, I would rather use this than a page with just boring letters. The next one is the multimedia research summary and analysis. I did mine over the effects of multimedia in the classroom and kind of how it can fluctuate grades. And it's actually really cool that, we're in this major, we do all this work around multimedia and online stuff. And then you get to realize and see that, hey, it has a great effect in the classroom. Most, if not all, grades were up. It made kids more interact and get more excited in school and more enthusiastic about coming into school. The only thing that came inconclusive were the special education kids, and that's because they are just a harder population to teach. They range from the spectrum from anywhere. You have those people that are high functioning, other people that are low functioning, and you can't make this broad blanket for them. So you would have to make specific lesson plans for that. And so I would really like to hopefully see some future research on that saying, hey, we actually made personalized lesson plans for them and it actually made their grades a lot better. And last but not least, the DDDE model. This was actually really cool because this is a lesson plan that I often think about and want to do. And so it was awesome to really be able to break it down and really understand it. Whereas before I was like, well, this is the lesson plan, this is how we're going to do it. But when you break it down, you really get to see it and how the kids work and how they understand things. I finally understand like, oh, so this is how we can really make the process better, get it to a better point, see the holes, make it even better. And it was great and it was fun. And I love always adapting and evolving. We should constantly be adapting and evolving in our field because these kids are constantly changing and we need to be ready because if we're out of touch even for a little bit, they're going to think we're boring, they're going to think we're weird, and they're just not going to be there at all. So I just want to thank y'all for this. It was awesome so far. I know we have one more week, but just great job, and I'm really happy that I was able to do this.